on this item, the additional cello tape or wrapper, all these are additional expenses only. That has to be included in cost price. Okay, so therefore your cost price value will increase. Earlier it was only 5 rupees, then additional 3 rupees you have spent. So total it is becoming 8 rupees. This 3 rupees should be included in the cost price only. But buying the items you have spent only 5 rupees. Apart from buying that item, you are spending some extra. So that extra amount that you have spent on each item should be included in the cost price only. Before you sell the articles, so your cost price becomes 8, not 5. Based on that 8 rupees only, you are going to sell the articles. More than 8 rupees only you have to sell to get the profit. Not more than 5 rupees. So these additional expenses we call it as overhead charges. We say a technical term, overhead charges. Whatever the additional expenses we make, that and all comes under overhead charge. Even transportation charges can be included here. To bring the article from Bangalore to Tumkur, I may have to spend some transportation. That also should be included in the overhead charges. Other than the cost price, additional expenses. It is called as overhead charges. Is it clear to all of you? We are going to learn only how to find the cost price, the selling price, from the profit percent or loss percent. So you take one example here, example 5. The question is like this. So you can note down this question. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator. Second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500. For rupees 2,500. Then spent rupees 500 on the repairs. And then spent rupees 500 on repairs. So these are the additional expenditures. 500 rupees on repairs. And sold it for rupees 3,300. And sold it for rupees 3,300 rupees. So now find is loss or gain percent. Find is loss or gain percent. Gain means profit only.
Profit.
Now let us see whether it is a profit or loss. First you find out what is the cost price. What is the cost price? Cost price here 2,500, right? Plus 500.
Overhead.
3,000 rupees. You have to include the additional expenditures as overhead charges. Now what is the selling price of that refrigerator now? 3,300 rupees. 3,300 rupees. Tell me whether it is a loss or profit. So it is getting profit minus 3,000. It is 300 rupees. 300 rupees is getting profit. So now this is the profit we calculated now. We got a profit of 300 rupees. Now let us see profit percentage. So you have profit percent means out of 100 you have to find out. So you can write this formula. Cost price into 100. Profit divided by cost price into 100. So what is the profit here? 300 rupees.
300 by 3,000 into 100.
3,000 is the cost price. Percentage means 10. So 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0, 3 ones are 3 ones are.
30% profit.
What is that? 10%.
10%.
So he is getting 10% profit on this. Question now, all of you. A shopkeeper purchases 200 bulbs. See, number of articles 200, bulbs 200, rupees 10 each. For one bulb he has spent 10 rupees. However, 5 bulbs were fused. Out of this 200 bulbs, 5 bulbs fused now. What is the number of bulbs remaining now? he cannot sell the fused bulbs. 195 bulbs only. So now, and he had thrown away that fused bulbs, and the remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. So you have to find out whether it is a profit or not. So now, cost price. What is the cost price of the bulb that now? 200 bulbs. 200 into 10. Because he has mentioned 2000 rupees. Okay. Now, among them, what is the selling price you have to calculate? Because 5 bulbs are fused. So now selling price is equal to 195. Because 5 bulbs are thrown away, remaining bulbs are 195. Into each bulb was sold at rupees 12. So multiply this one. 2,340 rupees. 2,340. Now tell me whether it is a profit or loss. Selling price is greater than the cost price, therefore it is profit. If this is less than this, then it is loss. Now it is not loss, it is a profit only. So let us calculate what is profit now. So profit, you can write selling price minus cost price. So selling price here 2,340 minus 2,000. So 2,000 is the cost price. So profit here 340 rupees. So this is the profit he is making by selling the bulbs. Even though some bulbs are fused, but he increased the rate and then got a profit. So even though he lost 5 bulbs from the purchased bulbs, but the profit made on each bulb is 2 rupees. So therefore he got profit even though 5 bulbs are thrown away. Now what is the profit percent now? Profit percent.
Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100.
Profit here 340. Cost price
340
2000 into 100. So now you can cancel zeros here. 20 with 20, then this 0 is 0. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 17% profit. For 100 rupees, for every 100 rupees he is making 17 rupees as the profit. Look at this now. Meenu bought 2 fans for rupees 1,200 each. So 2 fans she purchased for rupees 2,200 each. One fan cost 1,200 rupees. She sold one at a loss of 5%, other one at a profit. One is loss, other one is profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. Also find out the total profit or loss. Now what is that? How you can find out overall cost price now? Tell me overall. What is the total cost price?
We should not give you
What is the total cost price? 2,400 rupees. Now, one is sold at a loss of 5%, the other one is sold at a profit of 10%. Now you have to find out the selling price. How to find the selling price? Yes, look at this. First one, she sold one at a loss of 5%. So, first fan, one fan sold at loss of 5%. This means if cost price is rupees 100, then selling price will be rupees 95. Okay, if the cost price is 100 rupees, then the selling price will be 95 rupees because she is selling at a loss of 5%. For every 100 rupees, 5 rupees she will lose. So now you find out if CP is, what is the CP is? One fan cost rupees 1,200. Then what is SP? 95 by 100. 1,200. So you cancel this 0 cancels. So you are getting selling price
95 into 12.
1,000.
140. 1,140.
1140 rupees. See, the selling price is 1140. It is under loss. What is the amount invested? 1200. Okay. And the selling price here 1140. Now again, next item. Another one. Second fan
10% profit.
sold at profit of 10%. So that means what is the meaning of profit of 10%?
Sir, 110 by 100 into 1000
Its
also.
cost price is rupees 100.
SP is equal to 100.
Ah.
SP is equal to 110.
SP will be 110 rupees. CP is 100 means SP will be 110 rupees because she is selling it at 10% profit.
For each 110 rupees.
Now if CP is, what is the cost price of the fan?
1200.
1200. So let us write here rupees 1200. Then what is SP? 110 by 100 into
110 by
1200. So 2020 cancels. So you will get 110 into 12. 1320. Is it correct? 1320.
Yes, sir.
So this is selling price of the second pan. Now what is the total selling price?
Sir, you have to find total selling price.
Total selling price.
Yes, 140 total selling price is equal to 1,320.
Okay.
That is equal to 2,460.
So it will give you 2,460 rupees. So this is the total
total cost price is
selling price. Now what is total cost price?
That's equal to 2,460.
What is total selling price?
2,460.
Now is it a profit or loss?
profit.
Profit.
It is profit.
Since selling price is greater than cost price, she is making profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So total selling price here 2,460. Total cost is 2,400.
400.
So 60 rupees profit. She is making 60 rupees profit.
Profit is equal to 60 rupees.
So then what you have to calculate?
Sir, that's all.
That's all. Not the percentage. If the percentage is asked,
Sir, if we calculate percentage by percentage.
percentage if they ask 60 divided by CP.
And 2,460
Okay. Suppose profit percent if they ask
that 5% is profit.
60 by 2,400 into 100. So you can cancel these zeros.
0.
So 6 tens are 6 fours are. So 2 twos are 2 fives are 5 by 2. So that is 2.5%. 2.5%. If they ask
Sir,
profit.
we can also do, sir, we can take loss as minus 5 and profit as plus 10. So we will get plus 5 profit.
Okay. Plus 5%.
Yes, sir, plus 5% profit.
No? You cannot do like that. So you are getting profit percent 2.5 only. You cannot directly do that one. 10% profit to 5% loss. Don't subtract like that. You can't do that. Okay. So it is not 5%. So you are getting overall profit percent. You are taking only 2.5%. So there we got 10% on one, 5% loss, 10% profit. Then you cannot make, so 10 minus 5, 5% profit. That is wrong. See what is that you are getting? Only 2.5%.